Hey guys, welcome back to Sister Rocks. Today I'll teach you how to make a jhula for Janmashtami. So first we'll take a A4 size sheet and then roll it. Remember to roll it tightly, like this. So now we'll take glue and stick the corner of the paper. So now we have to take ribbon. I have this yellow ribbon, you can take any color ribbon. Now we'll put glue on the corner and stick the ribbon slantly. And we'll roll it like this. After you're done rolling the ribbon, make sure to stick it. And also cut off the excess. So now I've made 7 sticks more. Now take a rectangle piece of cardboard and cover it. So now I've cut some pieces. Now let's cover it with white paper. So now I've covered it. First you will apply the glue on the edges and then I have put yellow color paper. Let's cut off the excess. So now you can decorate it with colorful sequins. You can take any sequins you want. And now I am done with all of them. So this will be the seat. Now let's stick it. So now I have stuck the seat with hot glue gun. You can stick it with any glue you want. And now I am applying the yellow lace. You can take any lace you want. If you don't have lace, then no problem. You can just decorate it with some sequins. So now you can see I'm done applying it. Let's cut off the excess. So now to decorate it a little more, I'm applying these colorful sequins inside the seat. So now let's make the flowers. You can take any color paper you want and also a pencil. And now let's make the swirl. After you're done making it, let's cut it. It looks something like this. And now let's make the rose. You have to roll it like this. You can see it's already looking like a rose. You have to not cut the bottom. Now you have to set it a little loose and then stick it. Like this. So now let's apply the leaf. First you have to put glue and then you have to cut a leaf and then apply it. I have done many more flowers. Now you have to take the base and the ribbon. I have cut the ribbon in equal parts already. So let's apply the glue. So now we are done with the first one and let's do the others too. So now I'm done with the base. Now let's take 4 sticks and then stick them. First we will apply a little bit of hot glue gun and then let's bend the stick and put it. So now you can see I have put all the 4 sticks. Now let's construct our jhula. So you have to cross the 2 sticks and stick like this, and the other ones too. Now let's go to the main stick. So on one stick you have to apply a strip of yellow paper, so that, and remember it should be thick. So now we are done with everything, and now let's put the main stick. Yeah, remember to put it in the space between the 2 sticks that we have already put, like this. And now let's take the seat and stick 2 sticks to it. You can cut the sticks if you want the length to be short. Now let's stick the seat to the stick that is above. And now you can see I have stuck all the things, and now let's stick the flowers like this. Now let's stick many more. So now I am done. I have put some extra decorations like this. You can stick anything you want. Please do subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.